Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is SF Fly Fishing Catch and Release Net. The SF Fly Fishing Catch and Release Net is suitable for catch and release fishermen who want to do as little damage to the fish they catch as possible. The SF Fly Fishing Catch and Release Net is made of a soft, clear, rubberized material that is specifically designed to protect the fish's gills, scales, and fins. The net won't tangle, decay, or mildew, which is an added bonus. The robust laminated bamboo and hardwood frame of the SF Fly Fishing Catch and Release Net is composed of. It's available with a square, round, or teardrop head. The sole disadvantage of this net is that it is designed with a paddle rather than a telescoping pole. This implies it has a relatively limited range, which may be a benefit for those kayakers with little room. The SF Fly Fishing Catch and Release Net has a magnetic clip coupled to a safety cable that connects you to the copper swivel at the end of the handle to keep your net secure in your hand. For details, let's watch more.
Fishing friends, I want to take a little time away from the screen here to introduce you to a new product that I've been using. It is the Sunshine Fishing Landing Net. The solid, sturdy wood frame is made of a laminate of bamboo and hardwood. Got a rubberized net that won't rot, mildew, or tangle. It's clear, so it's virtually invisible underwater. It won't spook the fish as you're netting them, and they're a little easier to get them to the net. On the handle, we've got a 360-degree swivel. If you want to do a hands-free operation, you can unhook your fish, just twist your hand, the fish will drop out, and you're not handling them or touching them more than you need to. Attached to that, then, we've got a magnet. This thing is solid, hasn't prematurely let go, haven't gotten it snagged and hooked up on anything. Lanyard, 14 inches, stretches to 7 feet. Never any kind of a restriction. You're good to go. And man, this thing, the size is nice. 18 to 20 inch trout's gonna fit in this deep this elongated, shallow basket with no problem. The net floats nicely, so when you do catch your fish and you want to set the fish in the water, keep them in the water and keep them cool, the net's gonna float okay. Your lanyard's gonna keep it close to you, and you're hands-free, ready to take pictures, unhook the fish, etc. And then when you're ready to go back into the water, we're just going to reach around until we hear it snap. Drop it. Once you hear that snap and you drop that net, you're ready to hit the stream and do some more fishing. Sunshine Fishing, outstanding product. Go get yourself one.
Number 2 in this best kayak fishing net list is Placino Foldable Fish Landing Net. With so many kayak fishing nets on the market, it's difficult to miss Placino's effort as being among the best. Not least because it is available at a lower price than some of the other options in our study. Its collapsible form makes it extremely compact and portable, making it ideal for use in your kayak or on the road. There are 4 versions available, ranging in size from 8 to 20 inches, and the mesh's non-absorbent covering avoids water blockage and foul odors. The pole is made of high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass, and it has an EVA foam grip for comfort and control. Fishing is more about spending time alone with your child away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life than it is about catching fish. The belt clip has a unique design that makes carrying and transporting it more easier. The fishing net is made of high-density carbon fiber blended with fiberglass pole, durable nylon and robust hexagonal structure mesh, and a skid-resistant EVA handhold. Waterlogging and odor absorption are prevented by the net's non-absorbent layer. Foldable fishing nets and ultra-lightweight make them convenient to transport and store. The belt clip has a unique design that makes carrying and transporting it more easier. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Wakeman Fishing Landing Net. Wakeman Fishing Accessories Classic Landing Net is a versatile net that can accommodate a variety of fish sizes. It includes a rubberized net and is telescopic, making it excellent for catch and release fishing. The net is made of high-quality thermal plastic rubber, which protects fish from harm, reduces tangles, and prevents hooks from becoming entangled in the mesh. You can land fish of all sizes thanks to the broad net aperture and flat-bottomed basket. When completely extended, the retractable and corrosion-resistant aluminum handle stretches from 35 inches to 56 inches, making it ideal for luring in fish from further away. Anglers seeking for a lightweight telescopic net will love the Wakeman Fishing Accessories Classic Landing Net. Fourth pick in this best kayak fishing net list is FibLink Folding Fishing Landing Net. Micro-dense and long-lasting mesh net, telescopic handle and folding triangle hoop for easy storage. Handle and hoop are made of corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum alloy. Sturdy and strong structure, heavy-duty construction, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Halloween, Christmas, boyfriend, fiancé, husband, and birthday gift. One segment landing net, foldable and retractable, easy to carry and store, handy and safe. Non-absorbent nylon mesh net that is durable, intense, supple, and micro-tangle free. All of the components are rust-free and saltwater safe. Our fifth and last choice is Oddsbro Fish Landing Net. This tiny rubber mesh landing net is designed for fly fishing but may also be used in a kayak. It comes with a lanyard and a copper swivel anyhow, so you don't lose it on the river. It's made with a lovely wooden frame and is available with or without a magnetic hook. The high-quality hardwood handle provides excellent grip and gives the net a premium appearance, while the tangle-free rubber mesh net is gentle on fish and prevents hook snags. This fishing net would make an excellent gift for a kayak angler or a fly fisherman. Net sized for trout fishing, made with clear smooth rubber mesh, innovative design lowers the risk of tangling and hook snares, ensuring your fish will be handled gently, and you can better protect your fish and net from harm and loss. The wooden frame and handle make it simpler to grip and feel comfortable in the hand. 9-inch handle, 9.5 by 16-inch hoop, 9-inch deep hoop, and 0.8 pound total weight. At the end of the handle is a 360-degree copper swivel. The frame is made of high-quality wood and the netting is made of tangle-free transparent rubber. When fishing for catch and release fish, this adds the perfect balance and grip.